All right, so this is my second new technologies site that I will be sort of talking about from a student perspective, and this is Duolingo. And Duolingo has kind of really been a revolutionary language learning platform that many people, both young and old, have found success with. So I've jumped right in and I've signed into my Google account on Duolingo.com completely free. And you essentially choose your language and you choose, do you want to start at the beginning with the basics, or would you like to take a placement test because you already know some? So the language that I am currently practicing right now is High Valyrian from Game of Thrones. So they have audio, and you can hover over the word to see what it means, and then you start putting it together and it tells you if you're correct, and you sort of just work your way through lessons. So I'm going to stop talking and try to get through this sort of lesson bar here. So bear with me. Alright, so I got this one wrong because I was out of order. And it appears that as you get them wrong, the bar, let's see, I'll get one wrong on purpose. Let's see if it goes back. Yep, so the bar, as you get them wrong continually, the progress bar of understanding goes down. So I wonder, even when you're wrong, you're still learning. So I'll get a couple more wrong. And looks like if you're stuck, you can just skip, and it'll just give you the answer. So this is my very brief review of Duolingo. Obviously, there are many more features, but this is just sort of the basics to get people started. And you can use Duolingo to learn many different languages. So I definitely use this to fill a lot of sort of dead time where there's just a few minutes, because students can quickly log on and just even practice a few phrases, and they can find success pretty easily with this. Much better than myself, obviously, at this moment. So this is my review of Duolingo. This is my second new technology that I'm reviewing. Thank you.